Here's a question for you. Am I wrapping my hand because I sprained my thumb or because I want to
physically stimulate your nociceptors with my fist?
As a nursing student, even though my entire education is based on giving care and showing empathy, I believe that combat sports are great because they increase demand in hospitals.
And it's useful for self-defense.
Even if you're not into martial arts, you should give these exercises a try. So here's what you came for, my 3-day kickboxing-based workout. If you want big muscles, then this ain't it. But if you want a fun and different way of getting your daily exercise, consider punching stuff. I personally have a punching bag and yoga mat to help with the workouts, but these are optional. If you're just a casual and you don't want to become a fighter, you don't need to go out and buy a punching bag. So here's the basics for kickboxing. Stand with your good leg in the back. A jab is when you punch with your non-dominant hand, and a cross is when you punch with your dominant hand. Hooks are when you punch around instead of straight ahead, and roundhouse kicks are kind of like throwing hooks with your legs. Obviously, there's a lot more to this, but that's all you need to know for now. First thing you need to do is warm up. If you don't, this leg day will be your last leg day. Here's the list of things that you should stretch before you start, and don't forget to stretch throughout the workout. Start with 3 minutes of skip rope. This is really good cardio and it helps for warming up. Then we do the pendulum, which is pretty much you lift your leg a bunch of times. Do this 10 times on each leg. It helps with balance and your flexor muscles, I think. Next are pulse kicks. So pretty much you kick, hold it, move it up and down 5 times, and it hurts. Do that 10 times on each leg. This exercise is great for balance and working out your flexor muscles, I think. The next exercise is pretty much the same, but you do a front kick. After that is pulse lunges. So you do a lunge and then you kind of hop up and down a couple times. Do that 1 minute on each side for a total of 2 minutes. Next, you jump as far as you can to the side and then as far as you can up. This is probably the most intense part of the workout. Do this for 45 seconds on and then take a 15-second rest for a total of 3 times. The next one is the same thing except without the horizontal jumping. This next part is optional and you require a punching bag to do it. So what I'm doing here is called Shin conditioning. Pretty much I slam my shin against the punching bag until it hurts and it feels like my bones are about to fracture. If you do this enough, your bones will eventually grow stronger and you'll be able to handle kicking stronger objects. Warm up. This workout starts off with higher intensity, so make sure to stretch a little. Start off by doing straight punches or just a jab and a cross for 10 times really fast, and then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat the entire process 10 times. If you're punching some kind of target, make sure to brace your wrist and try to put most of the force on your index and middle finger knuckles. Next, you repeat the same combo except you add hooks or uppercuts at the end. Uppercuts are kind of like hooks, but you go up instead of around. If you're using a physical target like a punching bag, sometimes uppercuts might be a little awkward to practice, so I just don't include those in the combo. Next, do 3 sets of shoulder taps Tabata style. Make sure to keep your body from moving side to side too much. Then do 3 sets of tricep push-ups Tabata style. This one's pretty straightforward. Make sure to double check the form of your push-ups. Next are bicep curls. You can do 3 sets of them the same way as the previous exercises, or you can do them your own way. And then I do the same thing for bear hugs, but you can replace that with an exercise of your choice as long as it exercises the chest or the shoulders. For the last one, I think you get the drill. We'll start off with 2 minutes of throwing knees, so you want to make sure your center of balance is aligned, and you're thrusting your knees straight forward, kind of like you're spearing somebody. After that, I drill a punch, knee, and a kick combo. So since I'm right-handed, what I do is a jab, right knee, right kick, and then across, switch my legs, left knee, left kick. If you're not kicking a target, make sure to swing your kick through. It's kind of like swinging a baseball bat, except you're pretending that the baseball bat is your leg. If you watched Ip Man before, you can practice throwing your elbows as well. I usually like to drill a jab, cross, and then a double elbow combo for 3 minutes. This is a rather new part of my workout. And then I do a 15-minute ab workout. You can follow one of Chloe Ting or Chris Heria's workouts from YouTube. They're usually around 10 to 20 minutes. And after you've done enough of theirs, you can probably build your own. I don't have time to film an outro, so please subscribe, thank you.